I just installed the battery. I went on to coconut battery, checked the battery life. You can see over here the manufacturer battery date was on 2018. It's 2022 now. So we'll see how long the battery lasts. It says the capacity is 2010 versus the stock capacity of 1624. And here's the battery info. So you can see the age is 4 years old. Almost. This is a SNIDII lithium-ion battery for iPhone SE2. This isn't the battery. This is the battery replacement. I'm just going over the tools that includes. Comes with this suction cup, pry tool, regular screwdriver, magnetized screwdriver, and the one for the bottom screw, the pentalobe screw. While using this, it bent on me. Some like tweezer. And finally, the nice thing is that it also includes a battery with instructions. The instructions for the battery. Usually you don't see this in a battery replacement kit. First pull this out. Hope I put this on right. And I didn't put it on exactly right. This is what you get for an amateur job. I really hope this works because I don't want to return it. It's going to go on this way. I need to make sure it lines up pretty well. Oh, Jesus. Otherwise, my life is going to be in not too good position. Well, first of all, I'm going to see if I can plug it in. So I need to bend this thing a little bit, and these are the little things that come up that you wish would just work. So it popped in. Everything's pretty much in place. I need to get this